The Odisha State Election Commission has indicated that Panchayat elections in the state are likely to be held in January and February next year. State Election Commissioner Madhusudan Padhi said fresh elections will be conducted as the tenure of the existing Panchayat bodies is coming to an end. He was addressing the media after a preparatory meeting held to review arrangements for the upcoming Panchayat and urban local body elections. Padhi informed that a door-to-door voter survey will be carried out for both Panchayat and municipal elections to ensure accurate and updated electoral rolls. The survey is expected to be completed by March this year, though it may be delayed by about a month due to the census exercise. Clarifying concerns, the State Election Commissioner said the voter survey has no link with the special intensive revision process. He also stated that booth reorganization may be undertaken whenever necessary. The primary objective, he said, is to ensure polling booths are located as close as possible to voters' residences to make voting easier and more accessible.
देखो आगामी वर्ष जनवरी फेब्रुआरी मासरे आमर निर्वाचन हबार 5 वर्ष शेष हो जाउची एवं नुआ निर्वाचन हम पंचायत सब सरपंच समिति वार्ड मेंबर एवं जिला परिषद मेंबर एवं अर्बान पौर चेयरमैन काउंसिलर कॉर्पोरेटर मेयर तेणु से निर्वाचन आमर एटा गोटे प्राक प्रस्तुति व्यवस्था जिलार जिलापाल अतिरिक्त जिलापाल उपजिलापाल डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत अफसर डेप्यूटी कलेक्टर जीएनएम म्युनिसिपल कमिशनर्स समस्त को आम 3टी जो आरडीसी लेवल रे सब को भेटुचु एवं संबलपुर रे 13 तारिख रे हमर होइथिला एवं आज एटा होउची 20 तारिख रे हमर छत्रपुर रे हबा।